Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I'm going to do a shuffle exercise. Let's get to it. Okay, so shuffles are a backbone of tap. You've got to learn to do them very clearly, slowly, so that when you speed them up, they're not muffled sounding. So a shuffle is a brush forward and a brush back. Brush forward, brush back. On the other foot, brush forward, brush back, brush forward, brush back. So that's what I'm saying. When you do them slowly, it should be a very concise brush, 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 brush. Because when you do them fast, it sounds like a strike sound. So when you speed them up, that's what they need to sound like. They're utilized in all kinds of tap rhythms and tap patterns. And when people get going, if they never learn to do them clear and concise slowly, when they start doing them fast, they kind of get muddled and they miss a sound or they miss one of the brush backs. And then if you get in a bad habit, you're never going to get your shuffles. All right, that's all I'm saying. So practice this little exercise and maybe it'll help you. All right, so we're going to start on our right foot and you're going to do shuffle, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. Then shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Now we're going to do shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe. All right, let's just do that again. And notice my shuffles are very even and very clear, front and back, the brushes. All right, so shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe. Then repeat, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. I hope I'm not saying heel, toe, toe, heel. Follow my feet, not my mouth. I get confused with the heel, toe, and the toe heel. All right. So let's pick that up, what it would be faster. All right. So shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. All right, and if you want to hear just what it sounds like, it would be there you go. Just practice that little pattern back and forth. Go slow first and then speed it up. Hopefully that'll help with your shuffles. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to click and subscribe.